Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a template here on Clickup. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Clickup, I need you to hit the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating templates here in Clickup is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance productivity and consistency. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to create the task list or space to be templated. In my case, I'm going to hover to the left side panel of my dashboard. Depending on how you set it up, I want you to click on these spaces. There's going to be a plus button to create a new one. And then from here, you can rename the icon and name. I'm going to create something like Jeep Laughs, maybe template. Created. Description is something like this. I'm going to make it private for now, all right? Just to experiment with the data. I'm going to click on continue, but there's going to be an option here that says use templates, all right? You can use many templates here available on Clickup, like agency management for marketing, marketing team operations, quick start, SEO project management, or start a social media marketing. If you're into project management, you might want to use the Agile project management, or construction engineering is going to be Scrum management, backlogs and sprints, product management, and a lot more. And others, there's like blockchain ecosystem, class assignments, there's a lot. In terms of the folder, you have all of these: A/B testing, marketing, blog management. If you go to the list, you see there's going to be an option for marketing, action plan, depending on your needs and goals, all right? For now, we're going to create our template from the space. I'm going to maybe choose the start a social media marketing agency. Now, the template includes the status groups, these 8 different colors, and 12 ClickUps, sprint, time tracking points, priorities, and a lot more. Oh, later we can adjust all these apps included. In the view tabs, you have the list, board view, and doc view. If you're happy with it, simply click on the use template, and the space name is gonna be maybe just like this one. You can import everything here, or you can customize the import items. For example, if you don't want the automations, you can do so. If you don't want any views or tasks, you can do that. Make it like very simple so you can experiment with the data later. All right, I'm not gonna include any archive tasks. Now, as you can see on the bottom, using this template will create a new space. Click that button. Just wait for it to load, and there's gonna be our new space right here. You see that? So it's being loaded. Just wait for it a little bit. You see, you can create a new task depending on how you want it. From the viewpoint, you can put in a list, Gantt, calendar, doc, table, board. We have a separate video for adding a Gantt here, calendar, a mind map, that you might want to check on our channel. But basically, that's how you create a template for the workspaces, right? Now, however, on the plus side, if you wanted to create a new list from template, you can do so as well, all right? Again, that's only for the workspaces. Now, they also have the ClickUp templates for the task, which is this one, a doc, view, and a lot more. You can have, you can choose. I'm going to create a task, and I'm going to choose, you can choose from the complexity of beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Okay, so you can create your first template and eliminate repetitive work. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to choose a task template and a beginner complexity, right? I'm going to choose the 12-week plan. And of course, you can customize the fields like plan, progress, activity card. use this template. And of course, you can put or link this task on this specific worksheet that you're working. In my case, I'm going to use this one, right? Now in the section, I'm going to import everything that's included, and all I have to do is use the templates. Now, like we did earlier, you just have to wait because ClickUp is working on the dashboard. Now, if you have tasks or processes that you frequently repeat, a template saves you the time of recreating them from scratch each time. For new projects or team members, templates helps you quickly set up tasks and processes without missing details. Just wait for it because it's loading. And as you can see, you can also use the template when you are creating an email. We have a separate video on how to create an email here on ClickUp that you might want to check on our channel. But basically, when you are on the chat, you see that there's a comment section and there is sending email. You see, when you add a signature that's going to be forwarded here, you can send email templates using the email ClickUp here on the email builder. All right, I'm going to add another one here. I'm going to manage that. As you can see, we can create another template. So these are the ways for you to create templates here on ClickUp, be it the workspace, list, tasks, boards, and even emails. I'm going to, of course, you can be creative for as long as you want. You can add links here. Once you're happy with that, you can share it with the people, admins, or you can invite people to work with. Once you're happy with that, all you have to do is click on create. All right. And you can add another email template for as long as you want. All right. You can search templates here on the search bar. And as you can see, you can simply click on save. Now, this is very useful because templates ensure that every task or project follows the same structure, helping teams stick to processes and avoid missteps. Of course, you can standardize the tasks are assigned, tracked, and completed across multiple teams. Because templates makes managing large multi-steps projects easier, offering a predefined structure with due dates, assignees, and dependencies. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.